I am very happy to be here at this function, which is rendering humanitarian, this organization which is rendering humanitarian service to society through various projects. I would begin by complimenting the office bearers of Shri Satya Sai Orphanage Trust for their dedicated services, which have been expanding year by year in the last 2.5 decades. Inspired by the philanthropic activities of Swargya Shri Satya Sai Baba, one of the most revered spiritual gurus of modern times, they have been following the path of service shown by the great gurus of our country.
It is good that Sri Satya Sai Orphanage Trust plans to bring artists and artisans practicing rare art forms, adopt to them, provide them space to practice their art, impart training to youngsters in their art forms, and create a performing stage where performances can be held periodically. All these are very noble activities. Sri Satya Sai Trust has done appreciable work in the disaster management, be it natural disasters like cyclone, Oki, and Kerala floods, or the man-made ones like endosulfan tragedy in the Kasaragod district. The trust has been actively engaged in relief and rehabilitation process, I am told, providing food, medicine, building repairs, etc. It was a truly remarkable work. Sri Satya Sai Baba said, I quote, "Love is God. God is love. Love more and more people. Transform the love into service. Transform the service into worship. That is the highest sadhana." This is what Babaji has told us. So we should not only have prayers, we must draw inspiration from his teachings and preachings. And we must practice them in our life. Every citizen must think in terms of helping others, devoting some of his time, sharing some of his wealth with others. That is what is required. And also maintain unity of all people, unity of religions, and the universal values inherent in our Indian ethos, Satya, Dharma, Prema, and Santi. Similar emphasis is seen in Narayana Guru's teachings, in which one propagated the motto of Varu Jati, Varu Matam, Varu Daivam. Manusham, one caste, one religion, one God for all. This is what great Narayana Guruji has said. I was there just now to participate in this pilgrimage function there at Sivagiri. I am happy. From one pilgrimage, I have come to other service pilgrimage, the Satya Sai Orphanage Trust. India is bound by a common cultural bond. Let us strive to understand and strengthen these bonds which unite all of us. We must promote peace. We should not allow violence to come into our life. And we must see to it that nobody goes starved in this country. Nobody goes without education. Nobody goes without training. This is the message. You transform his life, ragas into ragas. Swamiji said, one boy, name was Amavasi, Tamil word for dark noon. Later his name was changed to Purna Chandran, meaning full moon. A well-known singer. The Satya Sai Trust, I am told, has adopted it. It is not simple change of name. It was a transformation of an individual. This is just one of the individual lives. You have made a positive impact. I hope Sri Satya Sai Orphanage Trust will continue to change hundreds and thousands of lives in the true spirit of Tamasoma Jyotirgamai, from the darkness to light. I am happy that this country, great country, with great civilizational values, great traditions set up by our forefathers, we must follow, we must promote, we must protect, propagate those values, those cultures, those traditions. We must feel proud. We are Bharatiyas, and we must promote Bharatiyata in every walk of life, in every act of every individual, and also in every work we take. That is what is important. Once again, friends, I am happy to come here to this Sai Gramam.